Hello everyone! Here I am in my town of Ashtabula, Ohio, and I'm here at Indian Trail Park with beautiful, beautiful nature all around me. Take a look for yourself. And so what I just showed you was the longest covered bridge in the world, the Smolin Covered Bridge, and then next to it was a smaller bridge for pedestrians that you get to walk through. What an experience! This here was all Native American land where they used to go fishing. It just, wow, does something to me because I love, love, love history. I'm enjoying it out here. It's beautiful weather. It's a beautiful place to go just for meditation and just to think and be alone with God and to take photography. Yay! So, mwah. God bless everyone. I hope all is well, and I will be talking to you later. Bye! So I am making my journey upstream. I have to be very careful. It's lots of little rocks and tons of leaves. But this is what it looks like. It's beautiful. Isn't that just breathtaking? And it's right here in Ohio. How amazing is that? Amazing, wonderful, fabulous nature. Mwah! Perfecto. Okay, I'm here upstream. Beautiful. So I am signing off for now. Take care. God bless you. Have a wonderful, beautiful day. Stay safe. Mwah. Lots of love. Love you all. Bye for now.